Hi, I'm Subo, the founder of Truly Community and Marketing Executive at Protege Ventures.
And hi, I'm Zi En, the current managing partner of Protege Ventures. At PP Academy, you receive top quality VC training and investment analysis with the support from experienced industrial mentors, ready to prepare you for a learning journey today.
As a student founder, Protege Ventures is an amazing place to grow. Learn.
Make friends!
As an analyst, you even get perks with master classes, sharing sessions, and exclusive events just for you.
Meet the coolest people, from founders, investors, and professionals. Not to mention all the PV members you get to meet as part of our big PV family.
So join us today and sign up for PV right now.